One of the coolest features of Photoshop's Generative Fill is the ability to expand out from the image file that you've shot if you've taken it on a camera or if you've created it on Midjourney or another AI texted image generator, whatever the file that you ultimately created. So here we're going to use the crop function on Photoshop, and we were using the present Photoshop beta version that has the generative fill. Be sure to use that, download it. It was available this week. And we're just going to expand out with the crop function, and I'm going to use 1920 as the ratio here, which will get me a 16:9 ratio, which is quite typical for screens. And if you want to get it exactly, you could also do it by using the canvas function on Photoshop. I'm going to center this model in here. And normally, if you take a photograph, you're not going to be doing this because you don't want these white borders. Because what point of having these borders? What's the point of that? But here with Generative Fill, we're going to now use the rectangular marquee tool, and we're going to highlight the borders or select the borders. And here it's okay to have a slight overlap with the image to make sure it blends perfectly. And we're going to hit the Shift button to make sure that we have the left border saved or selected, and then we're going to select the right border. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now here Photoshop has a toolbar underneath. You can click Generative Fill. You don't want to enter text here because all we're doing is having, as you can see from this prompt here or message, having Photoshop generate more of the background. So we're just going to click Generate. It's going to do its magic. And then in a few seconds, Photoshop will generate 3 alternatives of the expanded image that it has generated from AI. Wow. I mean, the first option is looking really good. Give a like button for that. The second option, wow, that looks even better. And the third option, oh my goodness, that's incredible. So which one is your favorite? 3, 2, or 1? 1, 2, or 3? I guess I would go with 3, just for its simplicity here. But what do you think about this? Incredible. Photography will never be the same. If you are a photographer, you need to be looking at Photoshop's beta version to play around with Generative Fill.